Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Nissan Serena 4x4. Has the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, and it does come with 28,410 original miles. This vehicle does come with 4 doors, along with both of the rear doors sliding and 1 rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. It does also go away. Right down here, the vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. So that 45,724, that is the kilometers. The miles on this vehicle again is 28,410. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them for you. I do want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day as well.